How to sign up for a new account on Unity. If you are trying to create an account on Unity, you are going to have to go ahead and open up your web browser first and then simply search for Unity. Once you've done that, hit enter and click on the first link that you see, unity.com. Once you do that, you'll be taken directly to their site. If you already have Unity's Hub installed on your device, you can do it from there as well, but it's easier on browser. Click on the little profile icon you see at the top right corner, and then from here, if you already have an account, you can sign in, but if you don't have one, you are going to have to create a Unity ID. Click on Create, and you'll be taken to another page here. So in order to create an account, you can continue with your Apple ID, Google account, Facebook, or continue with your enterprise SSO. So what I'm going to do here is continue here with my Google account, and then choose your Google account or your Gmail. Once you have done that, click on continue again. And now once you have done that, you should be able to register for a new account on Unity. Just wait for it to load completely. And as you can see here, I did not even have to verify my account since I continued with my Google account and I'm already logged into my new account. If you have entered your email address, you are going to have to verify your email by checking your Gmail. They'll send you an email and you can verify your account from there and create an account. That is it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you, and I'll see you on the next one.